catching some leaves here. As a vegan and an animal lover who would not dare harm another animal, I love to go fishing. But those people who go fishing for fish, I hate and despise them. Just love to hurt them to teach them a lesson. Is it 2:30 already? That's the best time to go fishing though. Now I know what you're asking. What can you catch as a vegan if you don't catch fish? Why, everything, except for fish. You can catch trees, you can catch branches, you can catch rocks, you can get the line stuck and snagged. You don't even need water, you can just throw a line right out in the woods. All right, catch some action. Now this is what I call grassing. Look at that cast. Now there is no question about it. The compass is the most valuable tool in your toolbox. In the northern hemisphere, all rivers flow south. So if you read your compass right, you'll be able to figure out which direction the river is flowing. Like here, if I'm reading my compass right, the river flows that direction. When you are fishing, it is extremely important that you chum the waters. It'll attract more of the animals you're looking to attract. Right here, I got nature's perfect foods. I got apples, carrots, and celery. And look, I can even enjoy the woods. I can waller around and poison ivy all I want. I don't have to harm any sort of fish or individuals or species. It's finally breakfast time. It's about 5 o'clock now. And I got some vegan food. That's the healthiest food around. I got Oreos, it's Milk's favorite cookie. I got some Bud Light and a coconut. You open a coconut. As a vegan who is empathetic towards the needs and suffering of animals, I like to rescue these worms from the vending machine and I'll release them on the premises to save their lives. Let's go, little guys! Freedom! 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 There you go! Live! Enjoy! Explore the world! In addition to worms, I also like to save other animals' lives. I bought crabs and lobsters and scorpions and snakes and mice and guinea pigs and hamsters, and I've released them all right here to save them and protect them. I've even bought an orangutan off the black market one time. All right, we got a lively one this time. Ooh, see what we got? Ooh, is that what I think it is? Ah, yes, it is. Awesome. Cool. Look at my catch. I got some organic tofu. Alright, so I have my fish here, and it's very important that you descale it and fillet it properly. Make sure you have a good knife. What you do is you take your knife and go push it right through here beside the plastic and just go right over it. See how it's goozing now? Yes, there it is. Perfect. So now we can take the skin off and plop it out here. Just throw the skin and scales away. Now the second thing you do is you chop off its head. And you can do something with it. And then you take it and you sort of butterfly it. Just like that, around the rib cage. And it's way too sane here. We gotta add some fake blood. There you go, now it's more real. nice, it tastes quite good. Yeah, so that's how you fillet your fish. Note to self, bring blackberries for chum. They attract black bears. I'm glad it's not too sunny out here. I could be getting heat stroke out here, which is part of the fun, but it's a different challenge in and of itself. One of my favorite parts about fishing is just the relaxation, and you just get to enjoy things. You get to think, figure things out, and just let your mind wander wherever it wants to.
Should I have stolen from the church collection fund? My tax returns are overdue. Why did the waiter question why I did not want cheese in my mac and cheese? All 75 of my cats are probably hungry at home and destroying the sofa. Am I exhaling too much carbon dioxide? Why do I like this again?
Oh, caught a tree! Caught a tree! Yeah! Oh. Oh no. Come here. Come here now, you. I am not selfish. I share all that I have with nature. I welcome the mosquitoes and the ticks to suck my blood in harmony. Now, when you are fishing, it is extremely important. Oh, I dropped a carrot. Sushi, anyone, is excellent.